Here's how to make a super cute welcome favor. We made these for our spooky Salem scrapbooking weekend. We are hosting in Salem, Mass. this January. Create a sheet of labels with a frame sticker, or create a label of your own with a stamp or on your computer. Labels will be 8.5 inches across the width of your printer paper and 2 inches high. Using distressing ink, drag your ink across your pages of labels to give them an antique look. Cut your strips apart. Remove your label on your water bottle and attach your spooky label with Scotch tape. To make your welcome tags, create a series of 3.5-inch wide tags on your computer. Cut them apart, being sure to leave room for a punch string hole on the W end and a black spider on the other end, at least 1/2 inch. To make your spider, with a black marker, draw a small black circle and fill it in. Add 4 short lines on each side of the spider to make legs. Using a bright green marker, draw 2 dots above the circle for eyes, and with a fine tip marker, dot the eyes with black for pupils. Punch a hole in the end. Cut a length of twine 12 inches long . And then thread your twine through the hole in the tag. Tie the tag around the top of the bottle. Make a bow. And there it is. Happy crafting! You can do this with any holiday.